Hi guys, today I will show you how to replace a cabin filter in Honda Civic MK9. It won't take more than 5-10 minutes. I already have a new filter and let's do that. Step 1. Remove everything from your glove box. Yeah. Now press your glove box from both sides. Yeah. Gently. And release that latch. Yeah. I know if you see there are two like hooks. And that is that like soft damper. Yeah. Now glove box down. Here is air filter cover. Press gently latch, remove the cover. Yeah, and that's our air filter. Remember, air filter flow arrow. Flow goes down. Yeah. Pull all filter out. Oh, looks like it wasn't replaced. Here I have new air filter. That's a carbon air filter. So air flow down. Check that all those sides go to the those hard shoulder go to the sides. Yeah. Put it in gently and try to push it on that side. Don't push on the middle because you can squeeze like jam it. Yeah, slightly. And now cover goes in. Yeah. Now that latch. Yeah. That goes up. Latch goes in, and you are ready. Just let me show you how that damper looks. Yeah. You see there's a place for a finger. Just put it here, press, and it's released. Yeah. Next, there is two such like hooks. Yeah. Press it in and pull it down on both sides. That's how it's been removed. Yeah. Go back. Done. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.